Hello everyone, welcome to the next chapter, which is linear equation in two variables. Myself Palak Agarwal and I'll be teaching you the same. So let's start and see what all we're gonna learn for today. So, what is linear equation? Okay, so let us just consider the following situation. Okay, in one day cricket international between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen scored the same 176 runs. Okay, express this information in the form of equation. Okay, so here the score of either of the batsmen is unknown. So let the score of one batsman be x and the other be y. But their sum is well known and which is 176 runs. So x plus y is equal to 176. So this is known as linear equation in two variables. From the previous classes we have learned what is variable. Variable is something which keeps on changing. Okay, so it's not formed or defined. So that's why we use xyz to denote them. And hence here two denotions or two variables are used since it is called linear equation in two variables. Why linear? Because no power of exponents is expressed in this. Okay. Now, an equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c, where c is the constant and ab cannot be 0 because if any of them is 0, the equation can't be in two variables. So this type of form of equation is called linear equation in two variables. It is customary to denote the variables such equation by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Okay, so we have already discussed this. Now, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c and indicate a, b, c. So, first question is very easy. The form already given to you, you just need to change it to this form. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. Firstly, just keep on comparing with this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'll just write ax plus b plus c. Okay, so a x plus by plus c equals to 0. And just below that, put everything on one side and 0 on one side. Okay, so 2x plus 3y. When it will come to the left hand side, it will be minus equals to 0. Now keep on comparing. The constant with x is known as a. So in this case, a will be 2. Similarly, constant with y is called b. So b will be 3. And the other constant, which is without any variable, is c. Since c is denoted with plus here, so we'll take whole with negative. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you. If not, just see another example. What I told you, just make 0 on one side and take everything on other. So just do the same. I'm just rearranging, nothing else. And then compare it to the form above. So tell me what is the constant with x? It's 1. Constant with y, it's minus root 3. And the last constant, minus 4. So it's your final answer. Okay. So in this way we use the questions in this form we will solve. Okay. Similar question. You can make either of the sides 0. That's not a constraint. The constraint is that if you put one side to be 0, it's easy to compare. Okay. See how easily I'm writing ABC values just looking at the equation. So the first step is to just convert one side to 0. Similar questions are being asked again and again just to make you understand. Now tell me, in this case, A would be 2. It's clear to you. B would be minus 1. But what would be C? Since it's not there, any constant. So it would be 0. As simple as that. Okay. I hope this question is clear to you. Write each of the following equation in two variables. Okay. So in this question you have to write the equation in two variables. Okay. So let's see how to do that. In order to solve such type of question, the first thing you need to write the common used equation. Okay. So this is the standard equation of linear variables in two variables. Now we just need to convert this to this. Okay. So firstly make one side 0. Similar to the previous questions. Now, ax is already there, which is x, a being 1. Okay, just skip this term. Constant term is already there, 5. Okay, now what will be the b value such that this term is 0? It's 0. Okay, that's why b term is 0. So we have represented it as an equation of linear variable in 2. Okay, so linear equation into variable is represented this way. Same thing we're gonna do this again. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Now form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a such that x term is disappearing, which is 0. So 0 into x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Hence the equation is defined in two variables. 2x equals to 3. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So it can be defined as 2x plus 0 into y. Correct, you guessed it very right. I hope you're getting my point, how to convert it into equation in two variables. Okay, it can't be said as linear equation because we have already learned, right? AB can't be 0. Okay, equals to 0. So the x term would be 0 dot x plus 5y already there. Constant term is already there. Hence it's defined in linear equation. Okay. So moving forward, we'll learn about solution of a linear equations. So what are solution? A solution is the root of the equation. Okay. Thus we can say that linear equation in one variable have a unique solution because in one variable we can equate the equation to 0 and find the value of x such that the equation becomes 0. Correct? Now let us consider the linear in two variables. Now here a solution will be a pair, a ordered pair. Okay, first writing the value of x, then the value of y. But it can't be singular solution. It can be multiple possible ordered pairs which satisfy the linear equation. Hence we can say that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Now find 4 different solutions for the equation. Now see how we will find. Okay, so let me just put forward to you, like there's no standard way to find the solution of a linear equation in two variable given only one equation. Okay, so we need to use hit and trial. Suppose that x equals to 1. Okay, case 1 we will take at x equals to 1. Put x1 and calculate y value. So y will be 5 by 2. So it's one solution. Okay, at x equals to 2, y will be 2. At, I'm just randomly putting values of x. Okay, so it's not like there is a particular solution. Okay, we have infinitely many solutions. So just keep on putting different values of x, or you can use different values of y and find the corresponding values of x. Okay, since it's written 4, so we have drawn 4 solutions. Okay, I hope you got my point. Okay, find 2 solutions for each of the following equations. Similar fashion, we would use x equals to 3. Suppose. Okay, I'm just doing it. So 4 into 3 plus 3y equals to 12. So 4 is a 12, so y equals to 0. Okay, so point would be 3, 0, one order pair. Now suppose I change it to y equals to 4. So it will be 4x plus 12 equals to 12. So x would be 0. So we can say that it's 0, 4. First we write x, then we write y. Okay, so these are the 2 solutions. Now, similar question at x equals to, suppose I say minus 5. Okay, so 5y equals to 10, y equals to 2. So one solution would be minus 5, 2. Okay, at y equals to 2. Okay, so 2x plus 10 equals to 0, x equals to minus 5. Okay, So minus, okay, so same solution happens, we can't add it. Okay, we need to have a different. Okay, at x equals to minus 15, suppose. Okay, 5y equals to 30, y equals to 6. So this would be minus 15 comma 6. Okay, so nothing to worry about. We just need to put different values. Find two solutions for each of the following equation. Okay, so equation here states that 0x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. But the equation is in one variable, since the second variable is 0. So only solution possible would be minus 4 comma 3. Okay, for y, only y value possible would be minus 4 comma divided by. Now just tell me or just think about what would be x. Since x is not given, okay, since x value is not given to you, it can be anything. Okay, so simply x could be 1, x could be 1, 2, 3. Since it's going to be multiplied by 0 and it will give 0, so it could be anything. So we can write two solution as 0 comma minus 4 by 3. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. So many solutions are possible. Okay, for x, but y is fixed value, which is minus 4 by 3. That's it all for today. From the next lecture, we will be continuing with graph of linear equation in two variables. I hope you get my point and it's clear to you. Thank you so much for joining the class.